Hello everyone. I'm Riz, and welcome back to the Fluent Zone. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to say something in English, but suddenly your mind went blank? You knew the words, you studied the grammar, but when it was time to speak, silence. Or maybe what came out sounded broken and unnatural. Don't worry. I know exactly how that feels. That's why in today's class we are going to practice real English questions and answers for daily life. No boring theory, no heavy grammar, just the sentences you can use immediately in your real conversations. Here's my promise. If you follow me closely, repeat after me, and practice every day, you will start speaking English naturally without translating in your head. So let's start. Part 1. Everyday Small Talk. Question 1. How's it going? Meaning, it's another way of saying how are you? Answer, it's going well, thanks. What about you? Question 2. What's up? Meaning, casual greeting, asking what someone is doing. Answer, not much, just relaxing. Question 3. Where have you been? Meaning, asking about someone's recent activity. Answer, I was at the gym. Question 4. Do you have a minute? Meaning, asking politely for someone's time. Answer, yes, sure. What's on your mind? Question 5. Can you do me a favor? Meaning, asking for help. Answer, of course, tell me what you need. Part 2. Daily life situations. Question 6. What time is it? Answer, it's 7:30. Question 7. How far is it from here? Answer, it's about 10 minutes by car. Question 8. Could you repeat that, please? Answer, sure, I said tomorrow at 9 a.m. Question 9. How much does this cost? Answer, it's 250 rupees. Question 10. Do you know the way? Answer, yes, just go straight and turn left. Part 3. Advanced Everyday Questions. Question 11. What do you do for a living? Answer, I work in healthcare as a quality auditor. Question 12. How long will it take? Answer, it will take around 20 minutes. Question 13. Have you ever tried this before? Answer, yes, I tried it once. It was amazing. Question 14. What do you think about it? Answer, I think it's a great idea, we should try it. Question 15. Can I join you? Answer, of course, you're welcome to join. Yes, tomorrow at 11 a.m. works for me. Question 23. What's the deadline? Answer, the deadline is next Friday. Question 24. Do you need any help with this task? Answer, yes, I'd really appreciate your support. Question 25. Who is responsible for this project? Answer, Mr. Sharma is leading the project. Part 6. With friends. Question 26. Are you free this weekend? Answer, yes, let's hang out. Question 27. What's your plan for tonight? Answer, I'm going to the movies with friends. Question 28. Can I borrow your book? Answer, sure, just return it next week. Question 29. Do you want to play a game? Answer, yes, let's play cricket. Question 30. Have you seen the new web series? Answer, yes, I watched it yesterday. It was amazing. Part 7. Travel and Transport. Question 31. How do I get to the station? Answer. Take a bus, it's only 10 minutes away. Question 32. What time does the train leave? Answer. It leaves at 7:30 sharp. Question 33. Is this seat taken? Answer. No, it's free. You can sit here. Question 34. How long is the journey? Answer. It's about 3 hours. Question 35. Do you travel often? Answer. Yes, I travel twice a year for work. Part 8. Shopping. Question 36. Do you have this in a larger size? Answer. Yes, here's an XL. Question 37. Can I try this on? Answer. Yes, the fitting room is over there. Question 38. Do you accept credit cards? Answer. Yes, we accept all major cards. Well done, viewers. Today we covered 45 powerful daily life questions and answers. These are the sentences that native speakers use every day in real life. Here's your practice task. Repeat these questions and answers aloud 3 times. Then try to use at least 5 of them in real conversations today. Remember, fluency comes with practice, not by memorizing rules. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Fluent Zone. Stay tuned for more useful English lessons. See you in the next class. Until then, keep practicing and keep improving.